Personal capital digital wealth investing honest review. Watch before using. Personal capital provides both free financial planning tools and premium advisory service. The free version includes a powerful dashboard for tracking net worth, investment, retirement readiness, and budgeting. For those with over 100,000 in investable assets, Empower offer human advisor asset or assets and a personalized investing strategy. The free dashboard is a favorite, and even more those who don't use the advisory service. Many say it's the best tools for seeing your full financial picture in one platform or in one place. However, some users feel the premium advisory service falls short of expectation, particularly when compared to other digital advisors with a lower fee. Review often mention frequent calls from Empower advisors offering upgrades, and even some find pushy. On the whole, it is a robust product for data aggregation and planning, even if they don't opt in into a portfolio management.